Hello, my dear friends. Here you can see these are the urgent hiring for M or slash S Saphnix Life Sciences, Panota, Sahib, Himachal Pradesh. So, coming to the vacancies for executive or senior executive, PPIC, good exposure in production planning and inventory experience, and for executive or senior executive, quality assurance. Executive or senior executive quality assurance, documentation or analytical, documentation or validation, and officer or senior officer quality control, HPLC, production manufacturing documentation, production compression, so engineering departments, water system operator, ETP operator, and operator packing, alu strip. So these are the vacancies, my dear friends. Minimum 3 years of experience is required. For some positions even 5 years of experience. The qualification is any graduation, B Pharma, M.Sc or B.Sc, as well as 10th 12th ITI, etc. So these are the details, my dear friends. If you are interested, you can contact the following number, WhatsApp them your resume, or you can also mail them. The mail ID is provided here. So thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel.